In today's competitive world, success in manufacturing requires more than just hard work. It demands smart planning, efficient execution, and continuous improvement. That's where Geoenix comes in. We are Geoenix, a one-stop shop for all your manufacturing needs. We are a company with a proven track record in designing, developing, exporting, installing, consulting, and commissioning a wide range of machinery, including soap finishing lines, liquid soap plants, and detergent plant machines. We also offer turnkey project consultancy, project management and execution, and supply of process and packaging machinery catering to various industries like food and beverages, dairy, home and personal care, pharmaceutical, and more. But why is consulting essential in manufacturing? Our team of industry veterans has the in-depth knowledge and experience to guide you through every step of your manufacturing journey. Strategic planning. We help you develop a roadmap for success, from business plan creation to plant layout design. Cost optimization. Our procurement expertise ensures you get the best value for your money, while our automation solutions help you streamline processes and reduce costs. Future-proofing. We keep you updated on the latest industry trends and technologies, helping you stay ahead of the curve. At Geoenix, we offer a three-pronged approach to consulting, catering to your specific needs. We assist you with everything from business plan preparation and plant layout design to machinery selection and project management. Let Geoenix be your trusted advisor on the path to manufacturing excellence. With Geoenix by your side, you can achieve success with confidence and unlock your full potential. Contact us today to discuss your specific needs and see how we can help you achieve your vision.